Hello, today I want to show you how I prepare for GrowthMentor calls. I don't know if you've heard, but I have been using GrowthMentor for over 4 months now, and it's basically a platform where you can book calls, like request calls with different marketers and founders from all around the world. And you can ask them for feedback, ask them to help you overcome any of the challenges that you may have, even like mindset or any roadblocks that you're facing. Like if you're planning to build a team, you can ask Jeremy here to help you build a team, like give you some advice on how he has built a team in the past. If you're conducting user research, you can ask how the person has done it, what tips they would have for you, and so on. Remote work, go-to-market strategy, personal branding. You can also get a growth mentor to talk to you about personal branding. So this is just amazing, I think. And let's just dive straight into it. I want to show you how I prepare for those growth mentor meetings because they are 30 minutes long, and I feel like the most value that you would get out of these calls is if you prepare well and if you know what you're going to ask and what you want to get out of it. So what I do, of course, is I have my Notion dashboard. So it's just called GrowthMentor Maria. And I have my tasks related to GrowthMentor here. I have all of the growth mentors that I talk to. Almost all of them are here. This is a database with the date when I had the call, their expertise, their position, and the meeting notes that I link here, and also the tasks that are linked to each mentor as well. So after the meeting, if I have something to check or something to, some post-meeting prep to do, I add it as a task here. Also, I have all the questions and topics here as well, like for all of the mentors, so that I can see them all at once. I have the meeting notes, and I have the tasks again, and I have also resources. So if someone shares a resource with me, I add it to the database so that I can refer to it later. Yeah, but the coolest thing is whenever I add a new mentor, so I can just click on here on plus. I already did it here. I add a new mentor. If I want to schedule a new mentor call from GrowthMentor, or if I have scheduled one and I want to prepare, this template comes up, and basically I add information about the mentor from their profile. I add an introduction, like my challenge, my pay point, the desired outcome of the meeting. I add background about Magic Design, so the company I work for, and the structure of the call. And then I also add here topics to discuss here, but also questions and topics that I want to get through in the meeting realistically. So I see, okay, I have 5 questions to go through about search engine optimization, for example, things I am just not sure of yet or that I haven't experienced yet. I add the questions here so I don't forget to ask them during the meeting. I have meeting notes here, so I can start a new meeting note. I have tasks. For example, during the meeting, I might think, oh, I need to look this up later. Then I can do it, like write a task for later here. Or also after the meeting, I have my notes and I can ask myself, okay, what are the things I need to do next? And I can add them here, and they're related to this mentor. And then also if the mentor shares a resource with me, I can add it here. So that's basically the template, and I think it works really well for me. Whenever I'm on a call, I have this overview either on the right side of the call, like on the left I have the meeting, and on the right I have like split screen, and I have on the right this template, or I have it on a different separate screen on the right next to my laptop. So this is Notion, and it's working amazingly well. If you want a template, I can prepare a template and share it with you. Just let me know in the comments below. And also what I do is whenever there is something visual I want to show, for example, ad examples or Google Ads structure or like campaign structure or any analytics or something similar, I can just add it to this FigJam file. FigJam is basically like a big Miro board or canvas that is like endless, which is really nice. And I just add some visuals here. For example, I wanted some landing page feedback. I can add a landing page here, and then add notes while we're in a meeting, which is really nice. If I want some LinkedIn input, I can have some LinkedIn screenshots here and I can show it in like a matter of seconds. I can jump from LinkedIn to, I don't know, lead magnet feedback, for example, and I don't have to switch tabs and look for everything from scratch every time. This is really helpful. For example, website architecture. I wanted to discuss analytics. I have discussed so many topics, and I just always add like a new corner into this FigJam file. And if, for example, we're talking about SEO, but they're curious to know what I did for ads, I can just quickly move on the canvas and show the ads like this. And it's been working really well in conjunction with the Notion template. So yeah, this is what I use to prepare for GrowthMentor meetings. And I know I might be taking it very seriously, but I think this is something to take seriously. You're having meetings with people who have busy lives, they are offering their time, and I think it's just respectful to prepare well. So yeah, if you want a template, let me know. If you have questions about GrowthMentor, let me know. I think it's an amazing platform and I can recommend it to everyone. Yeah. Have a lovely day and bye-bye.